Windmill through the trees there. Sun's just about to set over Donkey Rocks, which is just to the north of Goongarrie Nature Reserve, north of Kalgoorlie. I found this in the bush here, bowerbird's lure. It looks pretty old, but it must be getting a bit of a freshen up because it's got some new sandalwood or kwangdong seeds inside it. Got some decorations along the wall there, and somebody must have been doing some shooting here thereabouts because they've got quite a good collection of shells here. Bones, glass, all sorts of gear. Maybe they're due back here soon to lure a mate in. Quite amazing, and these little fellas go to a lot of work to entice a female. Bowerbird's lure. Just to the north of Goongarrie Nature Reserve.